Good morning, respected sir, and everyone present here. My name is Satvik, and I am honored to introduce my team members. We have Muskan, Shreya, Komal, Sejal, and Dhruv, and we will be discussing about attitude, its types, importance, components, and determinants. So, did you know that 85% of job success comes from people skills and only 15% from technical skills, जहाँ पे attitude plays a very important role. So what is attitude? Attitude is a mental and emotional state that influences thoughts and behaviors. ये determine करता है how we perceive and respond to the situations. Attitude एक ऐसा feeling है या opinion है about something or someone. Now I would like to call Muskan for the next explanation.
Thanks Dr. Ashok Asthana sir for giving me this opportunity to present my word. As Satvik has already introduced the concept of attitude, now I am going to explain three types of attitude. The first one is positive attitude, second one is negative attitude, and third one is neutral attitude. Now let us come to positive attitude. It means that keeping a positive mindset and thinking no matter whatever the circumstances are. If you have a positive mindset, if you have a positive attitude, then you should have some list of attitudes such as confidence and happiness. For example, a student who fails an exam but stay motivated for the next attempt and prepare harder for his exam. ऐसे लोग प्रॉब्लम की जगह सॉल्यूशन पर फोकस करते हैं, नो मैटर व्हाटएवर द सिचुएशन इज. माइंडसेट हमेशा पॉजिटिव रखना चाहिए. नाउ लेट अस कम टू नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड. देयर आर सम पीपल हु इग्नोर गुड थिंग्स इन लाइफ एंड ओनली कीप फोकसिंग ऑन अ बैड थिंग और नेगेटिव. दे ऑफन कंपेयर देमसेल्फ विद अदर्स एंड गेट डिमोटिवेटेड इजीली. इन शॉर्ट, ही इज एग्जैक्टली द opposite of positive mindset. There are certain bad effects of negative attitude like anger, doubt and frustration. For example, मेरे एक फैमिली मेंबर है जो वर्क करते हैं एक अच्छी कंपनी में. कंपनी काफ़ी अच्छी है बट उनकी शिफ्ट वीकली चेंज होती है, कभी मॉर्निंग कभी इवनिंग और कभी नाइट शिफ्ट होती है, जिसकी वजह से वो बहुत ज़्यादा डीमोटिवेटेड रहते हैं और वो अच्छे से काम नहीं कर पाते हैं. एंड दैट इज नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड. Now come to last, that is neutral attitude. The people having neutral attitude generally ignore the problem in life. They wait for some other individual to take care of their problem. They generally have a lazy life. Let's take one example. Once I was in roadside. वहाँ मैं देखी जो लोग बैठे हुए रहते हैं, शायद आप लोगों ने भी ये देखा होगा, उन्हें सब पैसा और खाना ला कर देते हैं. उस टाइम पे हम लोग उन्हें ये कहते हैं कि आप लोग फिजिकली और मेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा फिट है, तो आप लोग कुछ वर्क क्यों नहीं कर लेते ताकि आपको अर्न हो. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट दे डोंट वांट टू चेंज हर लाइफ, दे जस्ट स्पेंड देयर लाइफ एज दे आर. सो दिस आर द थ्री मेन टाइप्स ऑफ एटीट्यूड. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल श्रेया एंड कोमल फॉर द नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन.
Thank you, Muskan. I would really like to thank Dr. Ashok Asthana sir that he gave me this opportunity to present my thought and idea about this topic, importance of attitude. So let us discuss about the importance of attitude. So the very first point is saves personal growth. A strong attitude encourages continuous learning and self-improvement. It helps in seeing open feedback and development. Like it helps in personality development, building confidence, social growth and mental growth. So let us come to the next point, impact relationship. A good attitude helps in building strong personal and professional relationships. Like people who are naturally drowned are more supportive and positive mindset. They connect with people positively, handle conflict with calm mindset and gracefully. So the next point is it enhances problem solving. A growth mindset helps in overcoming obstacles and adapting to changes. Instead of seeing problem as a setback, a good attitude sees them as a learning opportunity. Like अगर आपका पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड है तो आप कोई भी चीज़ों को बहुत कामली हैंडल कर सकते हो और आप सीख सकते हो. So now I would like to call Komal for the next one.
Thank you, Shreya. Now the next point is attitude determines success or failure. Your attitude shapes how you approach challenge and opportunity. A positive attitude can lead to success by encouraging creativity and a willingness to learn. A negative attitude can result in failure by lack of efforts and lack of efforts. For example, गेम में एक प्लेयर है जिसका जीतने का माइंडसेट है, वो ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करता है और मोटिवेट रहता है, और दूसरा जिसका जो पहले से ही अपना माइंडसेट हारने का रखा है, वो कम प्रैक्टिस करता है और अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाता है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, बूस्ट
Having a positive attitude
boost mental and physical health. Having a positive attitude can improve both your mind and body. When you look confident, you tend to feel happier and relaxed, which improve your mental health. Additionally, a positive attitude can improve your body, like exercising, eating well, and physical health. For example, ऐसा देखा गया है जो इंसान अपने मुश्किल टाइम में भी पॉजिटिव रहता है और वो अपनी बीमारी को जल्दी रिकवर कर लेता है और टेंशन फ्री महसूस करता है. फॉर द नेक्स्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल सेजल.
Thank you, Komal. Components of attitude or ABC model of attitude. ABC model of attitude is given by Albert Ellis. In this ABC model, A, B, C stand for affective components, B for behavioral component, and C for cognitive component. This ABC model of attitude is widely framework that describes the three components of behavior. The first one is affective component. It is based on personal experience and how we feel about a person, situation, or objective. The second one is behavioral component. It is based on action and how we behave based on our attitude. And the third one is cognitive component. It is based on value, beliefs. It means what we believe about something. For the more clarification, let's take one example. I love tea. It makes me feel relaxed. It means मुझे चाय पीना पसंद है और जब भी मैं इसे पीती हूँ मैं रिलैक्स फील करती हूँ. It shows my feelings towards tea. That shows the affective components of attitude. And then मैं जब भी काम से घर आती हूँ मैं चाय पीती हूँ. मैं जब भी काम से घर आती हूँ मैं चाय पीती हूँ. It shows my behavior towards tea. That shows the behavioral components of attitude. And then it's my belief that tea is good for health. It shows the cognitive components of attitude. Thank you. For the next, I would like to call you.
Of attitude. Firstly, what is the meaning of determinants? Determinants होता क्या? Determinants are the factors which determine or shape the attitude of a person. These factors define how an individual will react to a certain situation. Basically, determinants वो factors हैं जो एक individual के attitude को shape देती है. Now, as you can see in this chart, these are some determinants of attitude. Firstly, we have individual experience. कोई भी इंडिविजुअल अपने पास्ट के एक्सपीरियंस को लेकर अपने एटीट्यूड को डिटरमाइन कर सकता है. सिमिलरली, on the basis of belief, knowledge, values, upbringing, actions, and society, a person can define and give shape to his or her attitude. Thank you. Now I will like to call Satvik for conclusion. Thank you.
So, in conclusion, attitude is a powerful force that shapes our thoughts, actions, and overall success. Attitude is a choice we make every day. So why not choose positivity and success? Thank you for your time and attention.